In today's video, we are going to discuss weight loss smoothies. But before we start, let me ask you a simple question. Have you ever wished you could drink something delicious at night and wake up slimmer, healthier, and full of energy? What if it was possible to lose weight literally while you sleep? Sounds like magic, right? Well, stay tuned, because it is genuine and not magic. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of homemade weight loss smoothies that deliver real results by morning. Okay, to demo and show you the importance of weight loss smoothies, let's pick a random name to demo with. Let's call her Jane, a busy professional juggling a demanding career and personal responsibilities. Like many of us, Jane struggled with maintaining a healthy weight. She tried diets, exercise, and all kinds of supplements, but the stubborn weight wouldn't budge. Frustrated, Jane started researching easy, natural ways to lose weight. She stumbled upon something fascinating: smoothies designed to enhance weight loss overnight. Skeptical yet intrigued, Jane decided to give it a try. So, what's the secret behind these magical smoothies? First, let's understand why smoothies can be powerful tools for weight loss. When made correctly, smoothies provide essential nutrients to boost metabolism, curb cravings, and detox your body overnight. Jane learned that what she consumed in the evening could significantly influence her morning weight and overall energy. Excited and curious, Jane started experimenting with smoothie recipes. And today, I'll share the most effective ones that transformed her body and energy levels. 1. The Metabolism Booster. First up, the powerful Metabolism Booster smoothie combines spinach, green apple, ginger, cucumber, lemon, and a dash of cayenne pepper. Rich in fiber, antioxidants, and metabolism-enhancing properties, this smoothie helps burn calories even while you sleep. Ginger and cayenne pepper elevate your metabolic rate, and lemon detoxifies the liver, which is essential for fat loss. After just a few nights of drinking this smoothie, studies have shown that most people noticed a difference, feeling lighter and energized each morning. 2. The Overnight Fat Burner. This powerful overnight fat burner has a delicious blend of Greek yogurt, berries, chia seeds, almond milk, and cinnamon. These ingredients are mixed in a blender and packed with protein and antioxidants. This smoothie helps build lean muscle and eliminate fat. Chia seeds provide fiber, keeping people full throughout the night and reducing cravings significantly. When people follow these recipes religiously, the scale starts moving in their favor within weeks, making them feel genuinely hopeful and motivated. 3. Detox Delight. The Detox Delight smoothie comprises pineapple, cucumber, mint, celery, and coconut water blends. This smoothie is a natural cleanser, aiding digestion, reducing inflammation, and flushing toxins from the body, further boosting weight loss and revitalizing your entire system. According to studies, what you notice with people is transformation and undeniable. Their energy surges, their skin starts glowing, and their clothes fit better. Friends began to notice, co-workers commented, and their confidence soared. Most people got inspired by their success and began sharing their smoothies with friends, spreading the powerful and tasty secret that made losing weight enjoyable and effortless. So, are you ready to experience the magic of homemade weight loss smoothies? Remember, consistency is key. Make these smoothies part of your nightly routine and watch your body transform by morning. Quick recap. Here are your smoothie superstars: Metabolism Booster Smoothie, Overnight Fat Burner, Detox Delight. This homemade weight loss smoothie journey reminds us that weight loss does not have to be a struggle. It can be delicious, nourishing, and enjoyable. Are you ready to blend your way to your best self yet? With that said, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with a friend. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss future videos.